What would you say are some of your favorite like car meets or even car shows that you've attended?
Obviously ours.
Yeah.
Kind of a biased
Right?
opinion. But I really liked Field Up. I know
Okay.
that you kind of started
Yeah.
Field Up. Those were always awesome.
Yeah.
I remember there was one month I went, there was like 600 cars.
Yeah.
So that was always really cool to see. A lot of the kind of nightly meets were really fun, like midnight meets. We've kind of worked with them in the past doing kind of like coordinated meets. Pretty much, I don't really go to a whole lot of meets right now.
Yeah.
But I did go to a lot of Park Up Front shows, like Cantina,
Right.
Cars and Coffee.
Yeah.
I did a lot at the Cars and Coffee South Lake.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd pretty much just go in there, check and see what was going on,
Yeah.
or go on TSP and see whatever you guys posted, see what's going on that night.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So who has the most events?
Definitely you guys. Man, by a long shot.
Yeah, you mentioned Fueled Up before, so people watching, right? We had an off camera conversation earlier, and most people don't know this, but Park Up Front and TSP had actually worked together at one point in time, and the whole Fueled Up meet was like my brainchild. Like I brought that up to Park Up Front. I came up with the name. And, a few months in, I personally just pulled out and I said, guys, we're just not meant to work together. They have their views on the car community. I have my views on the car community. And, I wish them all the best.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more behind that story, but we're just going to leave it at that.
Yep.
So, but
they're definitely geared more towards like the supercar.
They
part
are.
of it,
There are.
It's nothing wrong with that.
There isn't.
Yeah.
There isn't at all. And being in tune with the car community, I see, a lot. They're doing a lot of events. A lot. They mentioned something the other day about cars in the soccer Toyota. Is it over in Frisco? The Toyota Arena or the stadium or something like that?
I never heard.
So they're doing something cars and soccer related. They had cars and kicks with the sneakers. They're doing cars and cantina. The South Lake Cars and Coffee. I mean, so they're into a lot of different things, whereas we aren't so much doing the events ourselves. We're more focused on helping other people grow their events.
Yeah.
And because Park Up Front and us had a falling out, or me just having disagreements in how things were being done, those are probably the only events that I don't go out of my way to support, and that's probably the first time I've ever mentioned that on camera or even talked about that. But I mean, that's the truth. That is the truth. Some people know the story. And, like I said, we'll leave it at that, but I wish them all the best. And one thing I will say, there's plenty of auto enthusiasts to go around. I mean, there absolutely is. We get a lot of strange DMs or inquiries, and they're like, hey, our meet is on the same night as their meet, or they're using our location. I'm like, guys, this really?
You got to deal with it.
Are we arguing about this? Why don't you guys contact each other and have a meet together? How about that? There's plenty of people to go around. So don't be bitter about somebody using your spot or this and that. We should all be united, right?
Yeah.
We should all come together, grow the community, and stop worrying about what this person's doing or this person. So it is what it is. That's my opinion, anyways.